G'day collectors, we're back here at Authentic HQ doing yet another unboxing, and this time it's all Kiwi. Let's get into it. G'day everyone, my name's Greg. I'm the Research and Development Manager here at Authentic Collectables, and as we like to do when we've got a container coming down, we're doing another unboxing. This time it's all supercars, this time it's all Mustangs, and this time it's all New Zealand. So this should be a bit of an interesting one for you. For those who are new to the channel, this is something that we do when we've got a container coming down. We get the factory to send us a bunch of production samples down to the office so that we can have a look at what we're going to get in the container. They're also used for licensing purposes, advertising, and of course this is the first time we get to see them, and we like to take you on the ride with us so you guys get to see, as we do this stuff, what's actually coming down in the container. So this time we've got Shell V-Power Racing Mustangs, and we've also got Penrite Racing Mustangs, all from Taupō. So let's get stuck into them, shall we? Right, there they are, all out of their boxes. Let's get stuck into the details, shall we? Let's start with the Penrite cars. Right, so here we have the Penrite Racing Mustangs from the ITM Taupō Super400 from 2024, as driven by Richie, Stanaway and Matt Payne. These cars have a completely, how would I put it, New Zealand-centric pattern going through them. So if you have a look, there's silver ferns, there's maps of New Zealand, there's Kiwis, there's all sorts of cool stuff going on, and we've managed to replicate that all across the car in a metallic, as the real cars were as well. So that's kind of cool. That's definitely something that I think makes these cars stand out. Grove Racing / Penrite Racing have been doing a lot of these patterned cars, and I think they definitely make a really, really cool model. Apart from that, these guys both did pretty well on the day, but not as well as some of the other cars that we've got coming up. But definitely, if you're a Grove Racing or Penrite Racing fan, definitely pick these up. Also, if you're a bit of a fan of the Kiwi set, get stuck in. Right, let's go and have a look at the red ones. Red racing cars. Who else could it be but Shell V-Power Racing? Okay, so here we have two of the cars from the 2024 ITM Taupō Super400. We have the number 11 car driven by Anton Pasquale and 17 driven by Davison. And these cars both had the honour of being podium finishes on race 7. And ultimately the JR Memorial Trophy winner with Anton as well. So these cars are actually kind of cool. If you're a bit of a Shell V-Power Racing fan, then this is probably a set that you might want to consider. If you're a bit of a New Zealand fan, also this is probably a set you might want to consider. These are all still really low numbers, so if you haven't actually expressed your interest with us or placed a pre-order with your local stockist, you might miss out. But yeah, jump in quick while you can. These cars are coming in a container at the moment, so you'll probably see them starting to appear maybe in a month or so, along with the Penrite cars as well. Yeah, get in while you can, I guess. Right, so that's your supercars lot for this time. If you're interested, get down to your local stockist when they start to turn up. If you register your interest with us, you'll basically get a notification when they're actually starting to be released. And obviously, if you're buying through us, jump on and buy one pretty quickish. So we've got all these cars coming down on a boat at the moment. They'll probably be here in a month. So yeah, if you're interested, keep an eye out for all of that stuff. And as per usual, like, subscribe and ring the bell for more notifications on this sort of stuff and all the other crap that we've got on our channel. And yeah, until the next time, keep collecting and I'll see you later.